babysitting again and sees the panicked herd running by. She and Banda raise the alarm. Other big cats are lurking around too. The foraging party hear the call. The bandits wait for their boss's orders. Ela splits the pack. Females and young follow her and Odu. The rest of the males head towards the lions to act as decoys. With the chance of catching a buffalo gone, the hungry lions focus on the mongooses. The females and young head for safety. They're the family's future. Lower-ranking males draw the lion's attention away. The mongooses can't simply run down a hole, as the damp ground is soft enough for the lions to dig them out. The Magua bandits need all their skills in escape and evasion. The difficulty is doubled for Kisu, who's running blind. In the confusion, Kisu is left way behind by the fast-moving pack, desperately calling for help. Torkor answers, trying to lead him to safety. Once close enough, Torkor runs by Kisu's side, calling constantly to guide him. Cries of panic let everyone know another youngster is also separated. With a leopard nearby, the situation is critical. Leopard and lion hear the distress call. Odu makes a daredevil rescue attempt. And things go horribly wrong. The screaming youngster is snatched. So is Odu. The surviving members head back to the den. Kisu still led by Torkor, his steadfast protector.
Kept losing that bad boy. Alright, let me stop this background TV. Sorry about that. Alright. Alright, I've already taken the C-clip off of this bad boy to make it easier, which I think made it a little bit harder to pick. And I don't have a key, so you gotta be careful. Because this thing has a bunch of holes in the back of it. This isn't pinned up exactly how standard would be for this lock. If I remember, I might have added some extra security pins. It's been a while since I gutted it. I can't remember exactly. Let's see. What's going to be the best size for this? seems to be working. Uh-oh. Lost a ball bearing. Forgot this thing has all kinds of drill resistance and there we go. Alright, and I'm pretty sure there's a bunch of passive pins on the bottom. I'm gonna drop those first because they're all the same. They'll come out. I think they're all the same, so I'm gonna keep them in order. It's not like I have a key, so it doesn't really matter. I'm not even gonna worry about that. This thing's a little bit dirty, it seems like. Grab a pick. See if I can poke this stuff out of here a little bit. Oh, here we go. Well, it ain't pretty, but it's coming out. There's one thing you can say about this is it's definitely drill resistant. Good lord, look at all these. And the passive pin is still in there. Oh well, not worried about it. As you can see, all kinds of drill resistance focus. It even has some counter milling. As you can see there. Maybe? Yeah. There you go. Alright, let's see what I have down here, or up here. Looks like acid pin. That might be a M2. Mako pins. Yeah, there's a reverse spool or anti-bump pin, I've heard them called before. Oh, it's a deep spool. Very deep spool. Looks like there's different springs. That's not something I did. That must have been stock. This is something I put in. This is an A2 pin, so I'm guessing that used to be standard. The first three there, those were in it when I got it. Another A2 pin. Spool. And another A2 spool. So it looks like it had three M2, or I guess that's what these come with. I'm not 100% sure. I have another one of these locks, but I haven't taken the back off of it, so I can't gut that one. If you look in here, it looks like it has a sidebar groove. But that's actually just for the passive pins. There we go. Fairly good view of it, I guess. And yeah, other than that, this thing is not crazy hard. Here is a good close-up view of the pins, minus the passive pin that I couldn't get out of the bottom. But yeah, all in all, a fun pick. That countermilling makes it a bit sticky, so yeah. But yeah, all in all, very fun. Thanks everyone. Have a good day.